In the heart of San Sebastian, amidst a plot of irregular contours and lush pre-existing vegetation, a haven of architectural harmony was born. The Tamarindo House, a masterpiece by Taller Estilo Arquitectura, is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between man and nature. The project's inception was driven by a simple yet profound premise: to honor the tamarind tree, the oldest and largest inhabitant of the land. This majestic tree, with its sprawling branches and deep roots, became the central organizing element of the architectural design. The house was meticulously constructed around it, ensuring that the tree's natural beauty remained undisturbed. The architect's vision was to create a space where the inhabitants could experience the tranquility and serenity of nature at every turn. The house is designed to seamlessly integrate with the surrounding landscape, featuring internal courtyards, pathways, and gardens that invite exploration and contemplation. The public and private areas are naturally separated by orientation and the tree's original location, preserving the integrity of the natural environment. The Tamarindo House is a haven for art enthusiasts. The clients, a plastic artist and a graphic designer, desired a home that would inspire creativity and provide a space for their artistic pursuits. The house features a dedicated studio for plastic work, a writing and work studio, and various exterior areas that offer opportunities for outdoor inspiration. The architectural composition of the Tamarindo House is both striking and functional. The tamarind tree serves as a focal point, drawing the eye and organizing the surrounding spaces. The guiding wall, a prominent feature of the design, leads visitors through the terrain, creating a sense of anticipation and intrigue. This wall transforms throughout its length, sometimes imposing and sometimes inviting, framing the architectural elements and the natural landscape. The materials used in the construction of the Tamarindo House were carefully selected to complement the overall aesthetic. The architect sought to create a timeless work that would age gracefully, developing a patina that would become an integral part of the home's character. The choice of materials, reminiscent of Yucatecan haciendas, reflects the client's appreciation for traditional architecture while maintaining a contemporary sensibility.